So when I look to the future of Azimut MarineMax, I'm incredibly excited. Azimut continues to raise the bar on product, on innovation, on the materials. They firmly have established themselves as a luxury product in the world. It puts pressure on MarineMax. We're here to make sure that we can support that product in the manner that it deserves to be supported. And as we look to the future and newer, more innovative boats come, we're going to be there for you every step of the way to make sure that that experience is better than anything you could have dreamed about.
Hey everyone, Paul Cummings here. Can you believe it's our 7th annual Azimut Yachts Esposizione? You know, it's said that there's two types of people, only two types. There's boaters, and then there's those that have yet to discover the water. Our Azimut clients that came here this weekend, they're all boaters. They're our friends, they're our family, they're amazing people that came here and shared their stories with our prospects and our customers of what to expect once they get out in the water. What an amazing event we had. I know it's something that you're going to enjoy next year, and I want to say a big thank you to all of our people who attended this weekend.
Good afternoon, you're with Federico Ferrante from Azimut Yachts, and I would like to talk to you about our brand, which I'm 18 years with Azimut Yachts, and I'm still every year more and more excited and surprised from what our team can put together. So it's the most comprehensive range of product in the industry, divided in 5 exciting collections. We introduced 4 new models average per year. Each new model is a hit. So thank you for being a customer of Azimut Yachts and MarineMax, and we look forward to see you out there on the water.
Hi, Andrew here aboard the 27-meter in Pompano Beach at Esposizione. We're having another great event for our Azimut owners and friends. Keep in mind that in June we're going to Italy, and don't forget Nantucket, July 26th through the 29th for our Northeast Azimut owners. Come join us.